Our village of Candolim has produced many legend players who practice and play on this very same football pitch. They did not have facilities which the modern time players have, but they played with dedication and brought laurels to our village. Now our Super 30 Football Academy is grooming our young football players of the village, and I am sure and confident that we will bear fruits and produce an outstanding football players for our village.
जागो दिलो आणि साईलान आमकां क्लब हाऊस बांदून दिल्लो आहा. तेचे भायर without not forgetting the Monteiro family, who at that particular time thought that Candolim village requires a ground, so they have donated this piece of land to the village Panchayat of Candolim, and today it is the state of the art. म्हाका दिसता हो ग्राउंड केलोच म्हणून जायना, ताका मेंटेनन्स खूब आहा आनी विलेज पंचायत कांदोलीम आमचो प्लेयर्स आनी तेजी आख्खी टीम they are working tirelessly to see that the youth of this village, the boys as well as girls, come on this ground, they get good practice, they get refreshments, and the talent which is there within them is exposed. म्हाका दिसता बरो coach in form of Super 30 soccer team of Ricardo, my Satya's daddy, Goyan in sports, he has made Goa proud. आमचो Yojan Cardos, he has represented India also. I saw all the players, जे dedicated players आहा, तेंचे भुरगे आयज आमच्या युथाक शिकयताय हांगासर. म्हाजो रिक्वेस्ट आहा सगळ्या कानोयच्या पेरंट्सांक तेणी आपले भुरगे हिंगा धाडचे. And one fine day, one of these players who are over here, who are practicing the small, maybe 1, 2, even 5, 10, 20, they will definitely represent some clubs, some good clubs of Goa, and also represent Goa and India in Team India. म्हाका दिसता आमी जर तर सगळे वांगडा काम करीत जाल्यार nothing is impossible. Slowly the infrastructure development of Candolim is improving.
Yeah.